Hi friends, I welcome you all at NABARD Grade B. Your exam is going to be held within 2 or 3 days. So this is a very important topic which I am going to share with you by this video. I will share 10 questions in this video, and these questions are very important because it is part of your syllabus. So let's try to finish this topic in a very short time. This is a course which we are offering. You can purchase it and you can visit our website, that's www.crackgradeb.com. We have recently launched our app, and with the launching offer we are giving all these things. So first question for this Forestry is, in which year first National Forest Policy issued by the Government of India? In which year first National Forest Policy? Your options are 1948, 1952, 1962, 1968 or 1972. First National Forest Policy. So your answer is B. It was launched in first time in 1952. Actually, the first forest policy in India since independence was the Indian Forest Policy in 1952, in which it was argued that after the widespread deforestation and forest degradation in the colonial area, better forest management necessitated a comprehensive forest policy to check the exploitation of the forest. So it was the first policy to counter the forest degradation which was happened in the colonial area. So answer for this is B. Now the second question, where was the Imperial Forest Research Institute set up in 1906? In 1906, the Imperial Forest Research Institute was set up at which place? Your options are Delhi, Bangalore, Dehradun, Bastar or Shimla. So friends, its answer will be C. It was established in 1906, the Forest Research Institute, Dehradun, and it was the first situated in Chandbagh at present location of Doon School on the Mall Road, and it has a much larger campus at present location, and it was acquired in 1923. So it was established in Dehradun. Third question, Social Forestry Program was launched in which year, in which 5-year plan? Options are 5th 5-year plan, 6th 5-year plan, 7th 5-year plan, 8th 5-year plan or 9th 5-year plan. Social Forestry Program. So friends, its answer will be A. It was first launched in 5th 5-year plan. So social forestry refers to the management and protection of the forest and afforestation on barren lands with the purpose of helping in the environmental, social and rural development. The term was first used in 1976 by the National Commission on Agriculture, the Government of India. The basic objective of social forestry is to raising the plantation by the common man so that to meet the growing demand for the timber, fuel wood, fodder, etc., thereby reducing the pressure on the traditional forest area. So social forestry was first coined in 1976 and it was first launched in the 5th 5-year plan. Fourth question, COP26 will be held at which place? Conference of Parties 26 is going to be held at which place? Your options are US, UK, India, Japan or Australia. So friends, the 26th session of the Conference of the Parties, that is called COP26 to the UNFCCC, was originally scheduled to take place in 9 to 19 November 2020 in Glasgow, UK. But on 20th May 2022, the COP Bureau decided that it would be take place 1 to 12 November 2021 at Glasgow, UK. So its answer is B. Its answer is B. Recently, 4 more wetlands from India get recognition from the Ramsar Secretariat as a Ramsar site at which place? Your options are Haryana, Rajasthan, Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Punjab or Rajasthan, Gujarat. So friends, its answer will be C, Gujarat and Haryana. 4 more wetlands from India get recognition from the Ramsar Secretariat as a Ramsar site, and these sites are Thol and Vadwana from Gujarat, and Sultanpur and Bhindawas from the Haryana. So answer is C. Now the sixth question. Kigali amendments recently approved by the cabinet is related to which one of the following? It is related to carbon emission, space debris, ozone layer depletions, water pollution, or biodiversity conservation. So its answer will be D. C. It is C, not D. Cabinet approve ratification of Kigali amendment to the Montreal Protocol on the substance that deplete ozone layer from the phase down of the hydrocarbon fluorocarbon. So ozone layer depletion is the answer for this question. C. Recently, Government of India has approved the population estimation of the with the estimation of the tiger. You have to fill this gap. This is rhino, lion, black buck, elephant, or whale. Recently, government has approved this. So, friends, its answer will be D. Its answer is D. Environmental, Forest and Climate Change Minister Bhupendra Yadav said today all India elephant and tiger population estimation exercise to be done in convergence for the first time in next year. And Mr. Yadav released the population estimation protocol today. Today means at that time when this news was in picture. This protocol will be adopted in the exercise which will be taken up for all India elephant and tiger population estimation for the 2022. So its answer will be D. Eighth question. Indian Forest Act 1927 has contained how many chapters? Your options are 10 chapter, 13 chapter, 15 chapter, 20 chapter, or 25 chapter. So friends, its answer will be B. It contained 13 chapter. Actually, it also contains the procedure followed in case of declaring the area to be reserve, protected, or village forest. The act is divided into 13 chapters with a total 86 sections, ranging from the definition of various forests to the penalties that are to be levied on the violation of the provision of the act. So it has 13 chapters and 86 sections. Remember this point. Now the ninth question. The Environment Protection Act was launched in which of the following year? I am talking about the Environment Protection Act. Your options are 1972, 1980, 1986, 1990, or 2003. So its answer will be C, friends. The Wildlife Protection Act of 1972, the Environment Protection Act of 1986, and the Biodiversity Act of 2003. These are the act which was launched by the government for protection of our forest, protection of our biodiversity. So this Environment Act was launched in 1986. You can remember the Wildlife Protection Act, it was 1972, or the Biodiversity Protection Act, it was in 2003. Now the 10th question. The Scheduled Tribe and Other Traditional Forest Dweller Recognition Forest Act was launched in which year? Your options are 2004, 2006, 2008, 2010, or 2012. Scheduled Tribe and Other Traditional Forest Dweller Recognition Forest Right Act. So its answer will be B. It was launched in 2006. So it has been enacted to recognize the vast forest right and occupation of the forest land and forest dwelling scheduled tribe and other traditional forest dwellers who have been residing in such forest for the generations. So it was launched in 2006. So friends, these were all questions from my side. I have taken a very much time to cover these 10 questions. I will come up with more video. Till then, thank you and happy learning. पढ़ते रहिए, मेहनत करते रहिए.